Okay, example 4, same type of problem as 3. The only difference here is a circular base instead of a rectangular base. They're calling it a cone instead of a pyramid, but the formula is the same for both. So again, if this is my homework paper here, there's the box that I do my homework on. First thing I do is draw the two-dimensional base. The base here is a circle. Oops. Let's try using a marker instead of a rectangle drawing tool. Radius is 6 feet. Okay, I've seen a lot of your papers when you draw this two-dimensional base. Let me show you what a lot of your papers look like. I mean, the fact you're drawing it, I'm not complaining about the fact you're drawing it, but let me just show you what it looks like. Yeah, it's like you got some microscope out and you're like drawing this little tiny circle like that. And I drew a 6 in there. I promise I did. I don't know if you can tell, but if I make it bigger.
No, it's not.
It got pixelated. But the 6 is right there, I promise. I drew it. But the point is, just draw a big circle. I mean, don't be all like petite about it or whatever. Just draw a circle big enough to actually put some information in it. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle. That's not perfect, but it's pretty close. All right. That's not a very good attempt, right? So make it look somewhat circular, but just draw it bigger. Got lots of room there to be doing these. So area of the base is pi times the radius squared. If you use 3.14 to approximate pi, it comes out to about 113.04. If you wanted to approximate it with a pi button, that's fine. If you want to start using the pi button, just know if you go to check in the back of the book, they use 3.14, so your answer will be a little bit larger than theirs if you use the pi button on your calculator. The height of this is 8. Again, I find the right angle and I see the segment going up to the tip top of this here of this cone. So 8 feet is the height. So once again, BH known very easily. Volume formula is B times H divided by 3. This isn't quite as easy to do mentally, so I would probably use a calculator on this one. 113.04 times 8 divided by 3 equals. The calculator says 301.44. And the unit of length on this is?
Feet.
Feet, so cubic feet. So again, that's kind of what I expect your paper to look like. Draw me a two-dimensional base, find the area of that base using the appropriate area formula. For circles, I always square the radius in my head, so I don't write pi times 6 squared, I go ahead and write pi times 36. I won't have to look at any powers, it's just a simple multiplication. And if you don't know what 36 times 3.14 is, I know what it is because I've done it hundreds of times. Okay, I didn't do that in my head, I just happen to have that number memorized. But if you don't know what that is, just 36 times 3.14 equals, it spits that out. 8 is 8, and then again your calculator can evaluate that for you.